Located in Thorp, Wisconsin, WB Manufacturing started in 1998, building tops and panels. Today, we design durable, innovative furniture and custom product solutions, along with aiding our partners in designing spaces. We build with advanced and efficient machines with state-of-the-art applications. We deliver superior products and outstanding customer service. Our team believes in the innovation, quality, and integrity of our business. We are committed to providing our customers the best experience from design to delivery. We can design, build, deliver.